here, and we have a delicious breakfast recipe.
So excited about this one. So I'm not a big biscuit and gravy person.
Oh, I am.
See, I'm not.
We used to go to the truck stop with my grandparents and get sausage, gravy, and biscuits.
Really?
Oh my gosh. So
good. My husband loves it, and he makes amazing biscuits and gravy. But this intrigued me.
Mm-hmm.
It's a vegan. It's from our Thug Kitchen cookbook. And
vegan biscuits and gravy.
I mean, it's completely vegan. So we use green lentils for the meat of the gravy. What else did we? I'm trying to think. The biscuits were pretty easy.
Yeah.
I mean, flour. There's some whole wheat flour in there. There's some coconut oil, that we use to kind of like the butter, and then the almond milk.
Yeah.
Just mixed it.
And you could just buy biscuits if you don't want to go vegan, but this gravy, I think I'm really excited about. I love lentils. I absolutely love them. So I'm really anxious to try this. So yeah, I thought this was kind of a fun way they showed to display it too, as making little sandwiches.
Yes.
So I'm afraid to bite into it. I'm thinking I'm going to use my fork.
Yeah, I think we should
on film.
I think we should use a fork.
So let's give it a try. So here, I love biscuits because I like dry baked goods. Like not really moist ones. That's why I love biscuits.
Really?
Like scones.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm behind. I'm trying to catch up.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
I'm trying to catch up.
That is so good. Isn't that good? I actually could use a little more gravy. I got a little extra because I thought I might want some. Do you care if I?
No.
Okay, I'll just put. Do you want a little more on yours too?
Please.
Yeah.
Just go ahead.
Yeah, because I like a lot of. Okay, so I know that doesn't look like the most appealing thing.
It's not very pretty, but it is delicious.
It is delicious. I think I mean, it has a very gravy-ish flavor. It really, I mean, you can tell it's not sausage, but it does have that, it lends to that flavor, doesn't it? Okay, this is delicious.
And I love the biscuits.
I do too.
A little butter, a little jam.
I love this for breakfast, huh? All right, guys. We're probably going to finish this when we get off film, but it's that good. And we've been cooking a lot of great things today, and we're really hungry. So
we're starving.
We're excited to try some of them. But here's what I would say. It's a little out of the box, right? But if you try this, and it makes a fair amount, what a great thing to just warm up with a biscuit in the morning before you head out. I mean, just super quick breakfast and really, really good. High in protein with all the lentils and just great for you. So I think it's delicious.
I think it is too. So Thug Cookbook, we'll put the recipe below. Please make sure you hit the big red subscribe button. And I think we should finish our biscuits and gravy.
I kind of think so too.
Yeah. Okay.
So see ya. God, this is yummy. I just need a lot more gravy.